Hi, I'm Sam Ernst of Dormanet Industries, and today we're showing how the Strong Theory Systems Strong Theory Bar works for the people that were lucky enough to be at the Emerald Cup in Seattle and the Toronto Super Show in Toronto. We appreciate you demoing it, and we appreciate you telling your friends, but obviously we've got a problem because people are on the forums, they're talking to friends, and they're going, okay, I hear what you're saying, but I don't understand. So finally, we're going to make a demo video. All right, this is the Strong Theory Bar, and we have some other devices that we'll talk about in another video. This is the Strong Theory Bar. This is for bench press, and this is for the military press for shoulder day. It has been used for curls. It's been used for bent over barbell rows, and people are coming up with a number of uses, but primarily we have it for the bench press and for the military press. So the bar is built like a fine wristwatch. When I say that, I mean it, because everything has to be precise on this to work. It's gearing, it's racks, and everything's strung together to make everything work as one. So because these handles are tied together, that allows us to have a complete compression motion all the way through. Same thing on the military press. It's all the way through. It carries back and forth with the delts. On the bench, it carries from one side of the pectoralis all the way to the other side of the pectoralis. And like dumbbells, it also invokes, that's the right word, the pectoralis minor. It's a layer of muscle that comes underneath here. It's part of the pectoralis muscle group. Normally, you can only get that with dumbbells, but this device accesses that, and that's really important. So, the proper motion is not up and in. What we're striving for is a perfect arc where we're compressing the pecs at the end, and we've got to kind of pretend you're going to crack a walnut in the middle, because that's what it feels like after so many reps. So we're going to go up and in, and when we end with our elbows straight, we want to be completely close. Okay, the other thing that's important is this is only 135, but this is the equivalent to about 205, 210. And the reason why that is because we've taken the tricep out, we've taken a lot of the shoulder out, we've taken anything that's doing the back. This motion utilizes almost all pectoralis. Obviously there's tricep in there, but a lot of pectoralis, so much in fact that your lift goes way down. This is built for building muscle. This is not an ego device. Like, we built this for getting muscle, and it does create strength. We'll talk about that later. But this motion is a little difficult at first. After a few sets, you get it. So down, come to a comfortable width, and then at the very top, as your elbows straighten out, knee be together. This is what makes all of the pec get worked at once. Remember, there is no upper pec, there is no lower pec. There's only pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, and we're hitting them all right now. So down, 3 inches up, boom. That's important because it isolates the pec. It takes a lot of that damaging effect on the rotator cuff and on the humerus connection injury issues that people have. So for most of you, you're going to find that your shoulder injuries go away, or they go away quite a bit. You'll find you can work out now and plan your chest routine without having to worry about how much pain my shoulders are in. You'll feel pumps like you've never felt before. You'll see vascularity that you've never seen before. And you also see the pumps last a lot longer than you've ever felt before. Actually, our cameraman right here has found stretch marks after using this fairly briefly, so we don't promise those kind of results that quick, but it works because it's isolating the chest, it's protecting the rotator cuff, it's protecting the shoulder muscles, I should say the shoulder tendons and ligaments, and for a lot of people, that's probably the biggest deal over the actual chest development. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. Some people can go really, really wide. I recommend doing that if you have lower weight, but you can really stretch the fascia out, create more room for blood flow. but I like a nice comfortable width, and at the very top, compress, and you will feel all of the pec getting worked. Not just the outside, not just the inside. Feel everything work. Compress, compress, crack the walnut in the middle. Thanks for visiting StrongTheorySystems.com, looking at the Strong Theory bar. And remember, Strong Theory bar, pectoralis perfected.